What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to do double integral over a rectangular region. Now let's look that one through this example. Here this question is asking, suppose f of xy is equal to 5x plus 3y and the region R is the rectangular region shown below. Evaluate the double integral. Here we have the double integral, and if you look at the region, this x-axis start from -1 and here it's ending at 3, right? And this y-axis is starting from -1 and ending at 3. So this is going to be the limits of integration. Now let's put this one in integration form. Here we are going to have double integral 5x plus 3y dx dy, and x is from -1 to 3. So this is going to be -1 to 3, and y is from -1 to 3. So this is going to be -1 to 3. Now we are going to take the integration of the x first, because we have to always start from the inside. So we are going to take the integration of x first, and when we do the integration we treat y as a constant. So this is going to become 5x squared divided by 2, and here we are going to have 3xy. Okay, and that's going from -1 to 3, and the outside integration is going to be -1 to 3 dy. Now let's apply this one. So when we plug 3, this is going to become 5 times 3 square divided by 2 plus 3 times 3y minus, okay, this is here, and minus 5 times -1 square divided by 2 plus 3 times -1 y, and that's it. Okay, now we have dy outside. Now let's simplify this one. This is going to become 5 times 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 times 5, 45. So this is going to be 45 divided by 2. Here we are going to have 3 times 3, 9, 9y. And here we are going to have 5 times -1 square. -1 square is going to be +1. So this is going to be just 5. So 5 divided by 2. And 3 times -1, that's going to be -3y. Okay, now this is what we have. Now let's continue this one here. Okay, so from this one you can see 45 over 2 minus 5 over 2, that's going to give us 40 over 2. 40 over 2 is equal to 20, so we can just write 20 here. And 9y minus 3y, minus that's going to make this one plus. So 9 plus 3, that's going to be 12. So 20 plus 12y is going to be the simplified form of this one. Okay, now we are going to integrate this one respect to y, and if you do the integration, this is going to become 20y plus 12y squared divided by 2, that's going to become 6y. Okay, and the limits of integration is -1 to 3. Now let's plug this one. 20 times 3 plus 6 times 3 minus 20 times -3, -1 actually, -1 plus 6 times -1, and let's simplify. Here we are going to get, let's use a different color. 20 times 3, that's going to give us 60, plus 6 times 3, that's going to be 18, minus, and here we are going to have -20, and here we are going to get -6. Okay, negative this one. Oh, I made a mistake here. This one should be square. Okay, so this is square, and this one also square. So this one is going to be 9 times 6. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is going to be 54. So this one should be 54. 54, and here we had to have +6. Okay, now +6 minus 20, that's going to turn this one into -14. -14 and -14, -14, that's going to be +14. So that's going to make this one 68. So 60 plus 68, and that's going to give us 128. So the integration of this one is going to be equal to 128, and that's going to be the double integration of this rectangular region. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.